Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is the new EP from Chepang, Jhyappa. I know I'm saying this stuff wrong, people, so give me a break. Utterly unbound and obliterating all boundaries and facets of extreme music, borders, and nationalism since 2016. Or at least that's how the five-piece grindcore band Chepang described themselves on their Bandcamp page. Hailing from New York City by way of Nepal, Chepang just played MDF last month, and their debut EP, Jhyappa, just dropped around the same time on Relapse. It's a modern grindcore classic with most tracks around 1 to 2 minutes, complete with Nepalese spoken word samples, the occasional pop song interlude, and lots of blink and you'll miss it riffs and changes. Two drummers, two vocalists, and a guitar player simply called Nails. How could you resist not looking into this moniker a little further? I mean, honestly, this is the kind of band that you would get their shirt at Hout Topic, I think.
This thing is heavy as fuck. Gala Chad is one of the longer cuts on the album, offering 3.5 minutes of that alternate aggressive drum rolls, indecipherable screams, and subsonic gurgles. But when the band leans into the slower riff, the sound is uber metallic and groovy as all get out. There are touches of grindcore zaniness here and there. Track 7 translates to Search for Spaghetti, and some political protest lyrics, and some mind numbing repetition in some of the vocals. Let's play a clip. This is Gack to Shad.
Guitarist Nails. Okay, his real name is Kashiditz Mokhtan. That's probably why he goes with Nails. He proves to be quite the master of riffs, squeezing in lots of crunchy mid-tempo rhythms between the crazed rolls and blasts. Drivya Shotki may be a good starting point for the uninitiated, kicking off with a tidal wave of aggro drum rolls before setting into a deadly pogo-friendly riff peppered with wild squalls from Nails, a riff that slows down even more at the track's midpoint to marvelous effect as the guitarist flings out harmonics and miscellaneous noise like he's dispensing change.
It's extremely short, with an intro track, an outro track, and a spoken word segment. This thing will be over by the time you get out into the merge ramp. But the riffs and avant elements are strong enough to bring me back again and again. We were not able to see them at Maryland Death Fest, but we'll try to check them out at the Auto Bar in late July to see how they dispense the energy in a live setting.
So, yeah, go ahead over to Relapse's page and check out the multiple splattered vinyl versions of this thing. And while you're there, go ahead and grab a Pig Destroyer hoodie because you know you want one. Whenever I wear mine to Whole Foods, the cashiers give me the side eye, and I'm like, hey, it's not my fault you're out of cruelty-free pistachios, people. Anyway, this is Drivya Shatki.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.